Hi, I just recently had a breast augmentation, yes. And I actually had it in Mexico. And where I went was I went to healthcaremexico.net after a girlfriend of mine who was from Mexico, who actually wanted to start up a similar service or clinic. Well, she's the one that told me about this. And so, it came from a very reliable source, but I was still a little apprehensive going to Mexico to have surgery, especially something cosmetic. Um, but I'm so glad I did. So I got in touch with them and I booked the entire trip, which is kind of inclusive. And when I got to the airport, they actually received me or met me at the airport in Puerto Vallarta, and they took me straight to a five-star hotel, which I was very impressed. And then the next day, I had a meeting with the surgeon at the actual hospital and did my operation paperwork. But I sat down and I got to meet with the surgeon at the hospital. And first off, I'll tell you that the hospital was extremely modern. It was very clean. It was much better than I've seen in the U.S. And the surgeon was super nice. He was very friendly, and he explained every single detail of the surgery. And then he asked me if I had any questions, and I had some questions. And he sat there, not looking at his watch. I mean, he took as much time as I needed, and he answered every single thing that I had to ask. And then I was always able to get in touch with the staff, and I even got to enjoy a day at the beach and some great sun prior to my surgery. And the surgery was an absolute success. It went off without a hitch. The doctors and nurses were so friendly, so caring, so kind, and so just attentive. And so a few days after the surgery, I had a post-surgery appointment, and then they released me and told me I could go back home. Voila, it was that easy. And I'll tell you what, it cost me a third of the price that it would have cost me here, and I guarantee you that I got better attention, better care, and better service. And I am so happy now, and I definitely highly recommend this service to anyone that's thinking about a surgery of any kind for that matter. So go check them out at healthcaremexico.net, and you will not be sorry. Trust me, you are in good hands.